On your Ace brewer, if your actual flow rates are less than your target flow rates, you may need a pressure kit. Start the process of troubleshooting by putting your brewer into the brew configuration mode. Do this by selecting any brew profile and advancing until you get to the Start Brew screen. Now that you're ready to start brewing, first open the control valve all the way by rotating the flow control knob counterclockwise until it's met with a small amount of resistance. Make sure not to apply too much force to the knob as you may risk damaging your brewer. Now that the control valve is all the way open and the machine is brewing, we can see the max open flow rate. Look at the screen and check to see if the value displayed under current is at least 4.5 ounces a minute or 140 milliliters a minute. If not, your flow rate is less than what is needed for optimal brewing. To fix this, please see our video on hooking up a pressure kit to your Ace brewer for more information. If you wish to purchase a pressure kit, please visit shop.brewbomb.com. Thank you.